Okay, now, when you're doing the scientific method, there's variables. And what in the world is a variable? Okay? The variable is something that you are testing. Like my song says, you can test this and you can test that. Okay, well, one of those things that we're testing is the independent variable. Okay? And what I want you to notice here, independent starts with I. Hello, I, me. I can control what the independent variable is, which is also known as the manipulating variable. Okay, and when you have an independent variable happening, you're also going to have dependent variables that are going to be responding. And in this case, if we look up here, okay, these variables that we're talking about, they have to be analyzed to the control variable, so that this way you're constantly comparing the dependent variable, which is responding to the independent variable, that's the manipulated variable, and that in terms being compared to the control variable. Now, what we're going to do here is, before starting an experiment, the scientist must choose a control or control variable. And as I was saying, it is the standard or norm for comparison. Okay, and then the control variables are quantities that a scientist wants to remain constant, and he must observe them as carefully as the dependent variables. Okay, and these are all the things that you want to keep the same in your experiment.